Hello everyone. Welcome to another product video by Infranor. Today, we're going to cover the transition of the PAC drive to the newer PACHP version. Our new PACHP series is the high-performance successor to the obsolete PAC drive and is a direct plug-and-play replacement to the PAC drives. These drives contain the same functionality, same connectors, same dimensions, and same parameter files that can be transferred from existing PAC drives to the new PACHP drive series. However, please note that a few connector positions have changed, so we will discuss this later in the video. First, the PACHP offers improved performance over its PAC counterpart. These performance improvements provide better servo control with faster response times, and allows it to control lower inductance motors. It also offers new features such as the PROFINET communication type, customization options SIL3 safety, and options for cogging compensation. With the addition of selectable PWM frequencies, the PACHP is a competitive option in terms of its current, speed, and position bandwidths, and is readily available for demanding applications. Now let's discuss the mechanical changes to the PAC series. The first improvement for the PACHP is the addition of a USB Type-B mini on the front of the drive. This allows for quick and easy interfacing. On the PAC drives, this was originally done with the serial link port. The next change we have is the new location of the serial link port. This connector is known as the X5 connector, and it has been moved from the front of the PAC drive to the top of the PACHP drive. This port is an RS-232 port which also supports a CAN bus that uses the D-9 pinout. In addition to these changes, the fieldbus connectors have also moved. The RJ45 connector was moved from the top of the PAC drive to the front of the PACHP drive. These ports are known as the X6 and X7 ports. These fieldbus ports are configured differently for the CAN open version of the drive compared to the EtherCAT or PROFINET version. They each utilize the same Ethernet Cat5e cable. In terms of other mechanical considerations, all other dimensions of the PACHP drive are the same as the PAC drive. These would include mounting dimensions, length, width, and height dimensions. Braking resistor dimensions and power supply dimensions remain unchanged as well. As a result, upgrading to the PACHP can be done without the need for system or cabinet redesign. Thanks for watching. For more information about this transition or other product information, please check out our website at infranorusa.com. For additional product content and tutorials, feel free to check out our YouTube page Infranor USA.